Hi, we are at igus booth at Hannover Messe 2023, and igusverse is taking a lot of momentum, and igus itself is investing a lot in this digital technologies. And we are having with us Tim, who heads the igusverse. So, Tim, what is this igusverse all about?
It's actually making digital twins to help our customers installing our systems as a retrofit into their systems or into their machines, into their plants.
We are hearing about digital twin a lot today, but as a layman, I really understand how the digital twin works. So, if you can just explain me to understand in the basic level, what is this digital twin and how it is connected with the igus?
Okay, so the digital twin means actually we rebuild the customer structures, meaning customer machine, into a virtual reality, so you can take your VR goggles and be there on the plant, and we actually put our systems like the unit you see here into the VR world as well. So you can take the product, put it into the operating space, and you see it live, virtual, in a one-to-one scale, and you can imagine how to install it. What are the challenges maybe on the installation? What can save you time? What can save you money?
So, what you are telling is this particular igusverse application can help irrespective of the location, demographies, what people are there.
Yes.
They can give the product you can find out from anywhere, be it in Germany, be it in US, be it in India, and give them the right kind of solution, right?
Yes, yeah, maybe that's a big benefit, because you as well, I don't need to go to the plant. I don't need to fly offshore. I don't need to be there. I can meet with the customer in the VR world, and we can discuss on the product, on the plant, on the machine, one-to-one, face-to-face.
So this is a lot of saving a lot of money, because a big technical guy don't have to travel all to India. So if you have any technical problem in your plant in India, I think the German technicians from igus can give a solution through igusverse.
Yes, definitely.
So thank you very much, Tim, for sharing this information, and we expect igus team to come to India and spend a lot of time and support the Indian team during May 2023. igus India, whatever you are seeing in Hannover Messe, these products will be featured in India during May 2023.
Yes.
Tim, you should come and explain. Maybe you should use the digital channels and explain through igusverse.
Yeah, why not? Challenge accepted.
Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.